All right, guys, good morning. It is Friday of Unit 4, Week 2. Just like last week, we're gonna skip our your turn for today. Yes, do you have a question?
You forgot to take a wall.
Oh, you're so right. Thank you so much. All right, so as I was saying, we're gonna not skip our your turn practice workbook. If you guys want to do that on your own, you are more than welcome to. All right. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna start with our spelling test. So if you have our weekly schedule, or if you don't know where it is, you're gonna go to Google Classroom, click on Stream, and then I know I have that math there, but let's do this. Let's move this to the top. Okay, so at the top of your Google Classroom, it might say stream was updated, click show. It says, please bookmark our weekly schedule for all daily assignments. I already have it bookmarked. I have it bookmarked right here. If you don't have it bookmarked yet, I taught you guys this at the beginning of the year. So if you're new and you don't know how to do it, let me know and I can teach you. What you guys are gonna do is you're gonna open up that link and it's gonna take you to this. And then you just click on the spelling test and then you click on this and it takes you to your spelling test. Since I am going through it, each of it, you guys with you, I'll put the spelling test link in the chat. Okay, you guys take your spelling test and then you get your score. Now, what do you do after you get your spelling test score, boys and girls? What do you do?
Put it in the
Put it in
You put it in your grade book. Okay, now.
Put it in your file.
Okay, so what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna click on classwork. Everyone do this now. You're gonna scroll down to ELA and then at the very top it says ELA Gradebook Friday Try 2. I want everyone to open that up right now. Everybody needs to go to there right now. So Eknor, I know you're taking your spelling test, but right now I want you to go to your gradebook first. So everyone open up your gradebook first. Kendall, you need to get off of Kahoot and you need to go back to Google Classroom.
Yeah, to go to McGraw-Hill Education for my grade book.
Okay, so Russell is there. I think, so Dimitri, you're gonna click on classwork. Margot, you're gonna click on the ELA Gradebook Friday, that first one at the top. Okay.
Does this mean ELA gradebook trifold?
Perfect. Maylee is there. Margot is there. Russell is there. Perfect. Matthew is there. It looks like most of you guys are there. If you guys need help, let me know. Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right. Now that you guys have it open, so look at my screen again. Now that you guys have it open, let's say you take your spelling test and you get your score. And you get your score and it says you got 13 out of 15 correct. That's 78%. Good job. Okay. Then you put your score in and then you click out of the box. After you take your spelling test, you're going to take your vocabulary test. Okay. For your vocabulary test, what you're going to do is you're going to click on that link and then click on the blue words and that'll take you to your vocabulary test. I'll also put it in the chat. Okay, you take your spelling test for your spelling words. You take a vocabulary test for your vocabulary words. Okay, after you take your test, you go, it says you got 8 out of 8 correct. You got 100%. Good job. And then you put your score in. Once you're done with those 2 tests, then you're going to go to Connect Ed. How do you get to Connect Ed? You're going to go to Google Classroom, click on the waffle, scroll all the way down. If you don't see McGraw-Hill Education, you'll go to your Gmail account. When you go to Gmail, there will be a waffle up here again, and then you'll scroll down and then you'll see it. It'll say McGraw-Hill Education. From McGraw-Hill Education, it's going to take you to, well, let me get there first. I just want to show you guys all the steps so you guys know where to go. Okay, it's going to take you to something similar to this. You're going to click on your Wonders book. You're going to click on Miss Park. You're going to click on this green circle. It has like a paper and a check mark, and you're going to click on it and it's going to say to do.
To do.
And then you're gonna click, it's gonna take you to my to-do list, but you're gonna click on my tests. Okay. Once you get to my tests, obviously I'm in a teacher account, so it's not gonna show. So you're gonna see green buttons on the right. Anything with a green button means that you need to take that test. Okay. Now, if you notice that your name is anywhere on this incomplete assignments, okay, Danica, don't put things in the chat that are going to just fill it up. Okay, so at the top of the chat, you're gonna notice missing assignments. If you guys notice that if you guys notice that you have missing at work, you need to get that done. If you're like, well, Miss Park, I actually did that one yesterday, but my name is still on there, don't worry, I'll look at it and then I'll let you know if you need to redo anything or not. Okay. So there are a couple of you guys who have missing work. Make sure you guys get them done. I'm going to be checking to make sure you get that all done. All right, guys. Okay. And then don't forget, you got to put all your scores. So after you take your selection test, you put your score in. After you take your vocabulary test, you put your score in. And then you click out of the box. You let me know in the chat. You say, I put all my scores in the grade book. And then you will be free to go for ELA time, okay? After ELA time is over, we will come back at 10:15 for math time, okay? And then I'll see you guys at 10:15 for math time. All right, go ahead and work on your tests.